Hello everyone and welcome back to Dad Cooks again. Today we're going to be making chicken fajitas in the microwave. Now the way that we're going to do this is we're going to be using a Nordic Ware Tender Cooker, which is essentially a microwave pressure cooker. Now the way we're going to do that is first thing we're going to do is take our onions and place those all in the bottom. Just like that. Now you want to spread them out really well because this is going to make a bed for everything else that you're putting in. So your vegetables will go on the bottom. Oh, got a little clump there. Just spread those out really well because that's going to cook down. Okay, now we've got some bell pepper. Now you can use whatever color you like. We just like to mix it up with different colors. Just toss those in. I know what you're thinking. You're looking at my chicken. We're going to get to that. But here's a little garlic. That's 1 clove of garlic. And toss that in there. Now, we've got some taco seasoning here. Just whatever kind you like. We just get whatever's cheaper. So, just going to sprinkle some of this in, like so. Now, one of the keys to doing this is 1 cup of water. That's going to go in the bottom. I'm pouring this more to the side. I'm not actually trying to get my seasoning wet because the chicken, as it cooks, will also be releasing its own liquid. But yes, this is frozen chicken. Now we're going to see if we can get these to fit. Okay, there's one. We're going to sprinkle a little seasoning on there. And then 2. We'll sprinkle that one with some seasoning as well. And it's okay to, coat generously because this is, like I said, this is all going to cook down. Now with this tender cooker, I'm going to move that into you have a rubber gasket, a seal here, and you got to make sure that that's placed inside the little ring. And we're just going to put our top on, line up the notches, and twist to lock. Now, this little thing sits right here on top. And what that's going to do is that's going to let steam shoot up out of there, but it's going to keep the majority of it trapped inside. And that's where the pressure comes from. Now right here, this is going to be our pressure indicator. This little yellow thing is going to raise up and let us know that this thing is under pressure. Now, that's all there is to it for now, because now it's time to cook. So all we got to do is we take this and head to our microwave. Which this is going to go in the microwave right in the middle, just like that. Now, we're going to set this for 30 minutes and start. And that's it. We'll come back once the 30 minutes is up. We'll check on it and take it from there. Okay, so we're back out of the microwave. I've got my tender cooker open. Took the gasket off so that I could drain some of the liquid that was in here out. I took my chicken out and just cut it up and added it back into the onions and the garlic and everything and just tossed that together. And that's what we're looking at. Now I know this doesn't have the sizzle and things like that, what you traditionally think of with fajitas, but for a quick and simple meal, this gives you the taste of fajita without all the work. And if you really want a device that works really well in the microwave to make things like this, and there will be future videos of me using this, doing some other dishes, so stay tuned for that. And in the future, if you think about getting one of these, this is a Nordic Ware Tender Cooker. Until next time.